Your Cinegears RC gimbal car ships with an IMAX B6 battery charger, power adapter, either two blue 14.8 volt LiPo batteries or two black 14.8 LiPo batteries. Inside the IMAX B charger, you will find a manual, miscellaneous charging connectors, and B6 charger. To charge either the blue or black 14.8 volt LiPo batteries, take the Deans to alligator clip cable and connect it to the Deans to banana plug cable. Remember, red to red, black to black. Then connect the negative banana plug into the negative charger port, and then the positive banana plug into the positive charger port. Next, connect the negative alligator connector to the negative bullet connector of the LiPo battery, followed by the positive alligator to the positive bullet connector. Now connect the battery to the 4-cell port on the B6 charger. Finally, connect the power adapter to the charger and watch it power on. Now that you're powered on, arrow left or right to find LiPo balance charge. Press enter to adjust settings, arrow left and right to change your amps or voltage. Press and hold enter to test connection. Tap enter again to confirm and initiate charge. When finished, press stop. You can also decharge your batteries by navigating to Decharge LiPo Battery. It is best not to decharge below the battery's minimum charge recommendation of 3.8 volts. Press enter to adjust settings, arrow left and right to change your amps or voltage. You may want to leave yourself a little buffer room. When done, press stop and disconnect your charger.